Hello guys, this is the Ben Johnson once again. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get stylus pen for absolutely free. So if you're new in my channel, this is what I've been doing. I show you how to get stuff this about pay money for absolutely free. So if you're big interest, just hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos. So if you are imagining what is stylus pen is the pen we use to write on Android. You may be imagining what can I do with stylus pen, but you're gonna need it because there's some cool app out there that if you wanna use those apps, you must need a stylus pen because your hand can't touch some stuff like that. So you're gonna need stylus pen. So if you're in need of this app, this pen, then you wanna get one, I'm gonna give it right now. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. I'm gonna show you step by step how to get stylus pen. You can do it right now and test it in your Android. It's gonna work for absolutely free. Okay, so stay tuned and watch the video to the end. So let's have our stylus pen right. Okay guys, so we are here to go. We are good to go now with this stuff. This is my pack of cigarettes. You see, I don't know how this look in the United States and all those countries, but here in Nigeria, this is the pack, empty pack of cigarettes, and this is the ear filter, right? Used to clean our ears, and this is just a pen, normal pen. Okay, you can get a normal pen. If you don't have money to buy a normal pen, don't worry. You can start. I can show you some stuff like that. You can use something else. Okay, and this is a tape. Okay, if you don't have money to buy a tape, don't worry. I can still show you how you can do it. Zero equipment. Okay, here's just a water. Okay, normal water. I think this is good to go with your stuff like that. So let me just get in the tutorial. Okay, so fair. Make sure this touch this. Remember, that's this. Touch this. Water. Now you're gonna put the water on this one. You're gonna make it at least wet. So now let's see what we got. Okay guys, so as you can see, my friend, let's test and see what it's gonna do. See, it's working normal. Everything is cool. As you can see, everything is good, and everything is my stylus pen is very okay now. You can see. So you can do one for your own yourself. It's easy. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos. No. This is how it works, goes like that. So you can get one for yourself with zero equipment, zero money. You can buy this for like $10, but you can get it for free. See? Very exciting and very nice. Good. So have a nice day, friend.